Hi, dear friends all over the world, all over the internet. I'm your guest, Cristian Mejía from Costa Rica, and this is a body percussion choreography, a tutorial for the song We Will Rock You. Ah, are you ready? Let's start. First, I have to tell you that we are going to work in mirror mode. So my right is your right, my left is going to be your left. An easy way to follow the steps, mirror mode. What else? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us your like, your comments, share the video on your social media. I will appreciate all your help to promote these good vibrations all over the world. We are going to use a body percussion notation, a very simple one, but it's going to be useful for follow the choreography also with a document, with a PDF document. If you want, just give me send me an email and I will give you back the PDF document with the whole sequence, with the whole choreography, with this notation. We have a notation for the stomps, the thighs, the chest, the clap, and also for the butterfly clap. I will tell you about it later with more details, but just have a look about it. Perfect. Now we're ready to start. We are going to have A-B structure for the song. The A is going to be the verse and B the chorus. A-B 3 times. A-B, A-B, A-B. And then we're going to repeat the chorus. And finally have the guitar solo section that is going to be also our outro for the song. A very easy structure. And also the sequence of the body percussion is going to be very simple, very basic. Could work for 4th, 5th, 6th grade, but also for any ages. So use it for your own, use your creativity, and make your variations. Let's start with part A. Very easy. Just go with the beat of the song. The song already have the beat of boom, boom, cha, boom, boom, cha. So we're going just to follow that beat in this way. Chest, chest, clap, chest, chest, clap. And then tight, tight, clap, tight, tight, clap. And easy as this, it's going to be the verse. Let's practice together. 1, 2, you and me. Chest, chest, clap, chest, chest, clap, tight, tight, clap, tight, tight, clap. Easy, huh? Let's check this part with the notation. Wanna see it? Now let's practice part A with an audio. Ready? And go. Part B, the chorus section. We will rock you. Just like this, very easy, I told you. So, let's start. 4 stomps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp, stomp, clap. Stomp, stomp, clap. Okay? Let's start with the right. 1, 2, you and me. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump, jump, clap. Or stomp, stomp, clap. And now, let's add the arms. It's very important for the expression, for the choreography. So, 1, you're going to stomp with your right and point to the left with your arms like blades. 1, 2, 3 with your fist. 4, cross. And then jump, jump, clap. Jump, jump, clap. Or stomp, stomp, clap. One more time, you and me. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump, jump, clap. Stomp, stomp, clap. And when you're doing this part, 1, 2, 3, 4, your fist going down over here. For having also, as I told you, a good expression. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy like that. 2 times for the chorus. We will rock you. We will rock you. Hi. Easy. Let's have a look at the notation to check this part. Now let's practice with the audio. Part C, we are going to have the guitar solo, the outro of the song. With me, like this. Just clap. 1, 2, 3. You are going to begin as the part A, chest, clap, and then to your elbows. 1, backside, clap over here. 2, 3. 3 and 4. Just clap. 1, 2, 3. Got it? This is the butterfly clap. Look the position. Over here, your elbows. 1, 2, 1 more time. Just clap. 1, 2, 3. And then a little roll. 1, 2, 3. Clap. Your thighs and your clap. 1, 2, 3. Tap. Taqueta. Pa. And then stomp, clap. And it's going to sound like this. And finally, ha, hoi. For the ending, we are going to do just some movement, some displacement to the sides, like this. Tum tum pa, tum tum pa, tum tum pa, taqueta pa. Let's learn this part. So, jump to the right, stomp, clap, or right, left, clap, and then go to the left, stomp, clap, same to the right, stomp, clap, and the same roll. 1, 2, 3, clap. Ready with me. Easy like that, twice, and the song is going to be ending with the clap. Very easy. I told you this final part. So the final part, the guitar solo have these 2 sections, and also these stumps. Let's have a look on the notation of part C. Let's practice with me part C with the audio. Are you ready? And go to the right, to the left. And so, this is all. Very easy. Yeah? Don't you think? Give me your comments. Let me know what you think about this. Some variation that you can make for the choreography. For example, in the next video, I will put the play along sample so you can play and practice with me. The first times that you are going to play the chorus, the verse, You can just do the regular way. Just regular way with flavor. Dance a little bit. But when you get to the third time of this verse, you can make a variation to the left like this. And go to the right. And then to the chorus. Wa, wa, ta, ta, kum, kum, pa, tum, kum, pa. We will rock you. Okay, so this could be a variation, and you can make different formation with your students, different movement, different kind of ways to explore the choreography. So use your creativity, put your own signature, and have a lot of fun. This is all. So as I told you, I will post another video with play along with the original song and the play along example. And then I will post another one with the notation, with the body notation and the song, the audio of the song to have a practice, a visual practice. You can follow the lines of the stuff and do your body percussion. This is all. I send you my regards, a big hug, and also a Pura Vida. From Costa Rica, I'm Cristian Mejía.